Hi, I'm Leo Franks, I'm 14. Hoping to take over my dad's business. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Today I'll be looking at an Audi SQ7. This car's a Quattro. Yeah. It's 22-inch 5V spoke wheels at the front. They've got like a silver and satin grey finish. Special Audi Sport wheels. This car's finished in Floret Silver Metallic. 68 plate, 2018 model year. There's SQ7 badging at the front. Also on the key. There's that. It's got satin aluminium door mirrors. Quattro badging on the side of the door. There's SQ7 badging on the back here as well, and TDI badging. It's quad exhaust tips. Reversing camera. There's a electrically opening boot. This car's a rubber mat and a parcel shelf, just not shown here, so I can put the seats up, the rear seats. Got seat belts here. They go down pretty easily. Headrests automatically go down. There's air suspension. You can have different driving modes as well. Dynamic. It's 4-zone climate control with heated seats. SQ7 badging. Has a deployable screen which comes up from the middle. You can raise and lower it. Also has S Sport seats, finished in Valcone and upper leather. It's got a map view over here. Here's a head-up display also. Can have a little listen as well. That's in comfort. Dynamic. This is individual. There's this cool touchpad in the middle. Not sure. I assume it could be maybe for writing something, but otherwise you have the dial here and you have the 4 shortcuts: radio, media, telephone, and nav. It's cruise control. Panoramic sunroof with sun blind. whilst that's opening, we'll just look around here. Has wireless charging, maybe a key recognition pad there, maybe has a reversing camera as well. Start-stop button with a red surround. That's with the blinds up now. You can adjust the head up height by using this button and pushing it in to turn it off. Moving into the back real quick, there's privacy glass. 4-zone climate control, just to show. There, has it. Has V8T badging on the side there. Hard to open the bonnet and hold in the camera. There we go. Under the bonnet is a 4-litre twin turbo V8. This has 435 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. So a monster amount of torque. There's some nice red lines there, silver, and just some plastic there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.